I'm always bragging about those Callaways because they do an amazing job helping you find or sell your home. And of course, we have back with us today Kelly Callaway to tell us about another fantastic home.
Yes, if you want a home that has it all, this one is it.
Really?
It is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath home. And one bedroom, 1 bath of that is in an upstairs portion, so it can be used for in-laws or guests or anything else. Absolutely all redone, so it's absolutely beautiful. It has an open floor plan concept and a fabulous family room that can be used for a movie room, a family room, a playroom, hobby room.
Awesome.
It's just a wonderful size. 4-car garage.
Oh, wow.
On a very large lot, and it's 4,503 square feet.
Nice size.
Yeah, and the backyard is wonderful. It's got a pool, it's got a play area for kids. It's even got a chicken coop.
Really?
Yes. So
that's great.
Whatever your needs are, this property is wonderful for it.
Well, it sounds gorgeous, and I know it has so much to offer. But what are we looking price-wise?
This one is $1,125,000.
For that area, that's actually really reasonable.
It's a wonderful area, big square footage, and just convenient to everything.
All right, well, people have to check it out. And like I always say, if this isn't the home for them, I know you'll find one for them. So they have to call either way.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.